Hello guys, Igor here doing one more AppSumo review today analyzing Fineguide, a tool that creates AI assistants for just about any role and integrate them into your website. It's pretty simple. You're gonna use their AI models, a support assistant for your website. So your website will be integrated with AI, with a support assistant to answer, to reply to your customer questions. Okay, it's pretty simple to use and the deal is pretty good. You're gonna get 5k AI credits per month and not all the AIs for $59. If you get tier 2, you get almost all the AIs. You'll be missing Gemini Pro 1.5 and OpenAI GPT-4. For that, you need to get the tier 3. Okay, let's take a look at the tool. Here's the Fineguide, and it's a one-click button tool. You go here, create instant assistant, give the name, can change the image as well, company or hour. You can give you a company name, define the role, and select the model. It's done. The model is here. Click here to check on it. Can create an welcome message, suggest questions to start your journey. Can change the manner of speaking. Normal, casual, business. Let's add casual here. Put then engaging and verbosity normal. You can change their appearance, changing colors, changing the image, and also hide branding. So you will not be branded by Fineguide on your premium plan. You can take it out. Integrations, you just then integrate the chat on your website using JavaScript, chat window, an hyperlink, you can do that. You can just send the hyperlink. Enable chat integration, just click on the iframe and it's done. The widgets, those are right now the integrations they have: YouTube, embed my Google Map, Calendly, weather widget, trading view, financial news, trading view, crypto market, and trading view current pairs. Here you see your assistant. Start a conversation and then make question. What's Fineguide? Fineguide is a company that provides virtual assistant service. We just advanced the AI technology to help with customer support. What are the advantage? Great questions. They will give the advantage. So you have a chatbot, an AI chatbot ready to go to use on your website. How good is that? It's a pretty good deal. On AppSumo, the tier 3 is the best one that you're gonna get all the AI models, and I do recommend it. If you want to know more about this deal, take a look at the link on the description. You're gonna get all the information and more. You're gonna get the best price. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.